Welcome to a Canopy tutorial on multi-column sorting. Today we'll show you how to use it and how to enable this feature for yourself. For our example today, we're starting in the device module. We start by filtering normally, choosing our last heartbeat column as our first column. Then we select our device ID column as our second sort. You can apply as many sorts as you would like. To enable this feature for yourself, click into the settings page. From here, we'll click into the grid subsection and toggle on multi-column sorting. With that toggled on, go ahead and click Save Changes and we're set. You're good to start using multi-column sorting yourself.